magsasalita. Joke lang. Sakto lang. It's,
Parang na-elevate ba yung film appreciation mo?
hindi
Because of
naman.
producing?
It's, akin lang, it's different kasi when you're hired as an actor, of course you act and you do your best, or you perform, or you do what's asked of you. But siguro it's different rin kasi pag may ibang part pa ng sarili mo na nandun sa pelikula na aside from acting. Kasi pag natapos na yung acting, parang what's next? What do you do next? You promote. Alam niyo naman ako, parang bihira ako mag-promote ng pelikula. So parang how can I force myself to make sure that the film will work? So it's getting yourself involved in the project na maliban sa pagiging artist, maliban sa pag-arte sa pelikula.
And what's the